Tuscany, a region in central Italy, evokes images of rolling hills adorned with vineyards and cypress trees, Renaissance art masterpieces, and charming medieval towns. Spanning approximately 23,000 square kilometers with a population of around 3.8 million, Tuscany is more than just a picturesque destination. It's a land steeped in history, boasting a rich cultural heritage, and renowned for its significant contributions to art, literature, and science. Its capital city, Florence, stands as a testament to its glorious past and enduring influence. Tuscany's history stretches back to the Etruscans, who settled the region around 1000 BCE. Their sophisticated civilization left behind a legacy of art, architecture, and a unique language. In the 3rd century BCE, the Romans conquered Etruria, and the region eventually became known as Tuscia under the Roman Empire. Following the fall of the Western Roman Empire, Tuscany experienced periods of Lombard and Frankish rule before evolving into a collection of powerful independent city-states during the Middle Ages. The High Middle Ages paved the way for Tuscany's most celebrated era, the Renaissance. This period of unprecedented artistic, intellectual, and cultural flourishing, considered a rebirth after the Middle Ages, had its epicenter in Florence. Over the centuries, the political landscape of Tuscany shifted. The Medici family consolidated their power, eventually establishing the Grand Duchy of Tuscany in the 16th century. Their rule, while marked by continued patronage of the arts, also saw a gradual decline in Florence's political dominance. Tuscany endured significant challenges in the 20th century, including the devastation of World War II and severe flooding in 1966. However, the region has persevered, rebuilding and preserving its rich heritage. Geographically, Tuscany presents a diverse tapestry of landscapes. Its western border is defined by a coastline along the Ligurian and Tyrrhenian seas, including the Tuscan archipelago, with Elba as its largest island. Inland, the terrain varies from fertile plains, particularly the valley of the Arno River, to rolling hills that characterize much of the region, and the more rugged Apennine and Apuan Alps. Agriculture has always played a vital role in Tuscany's economy and character. The region is renowned for its fertile land and specialized agricultural production, including cereals, olives and high-quality olive oil, and, most famously, its wines. The Chianti district, near Siena, is world-renowned for its exceptional red wines, but other notable wines include Vino Nobile di Montepulciano, Morellino di Scansano, Brunello di Montalcino, and the White Vernaccia di San Gimignano. Today, Tuscany is a prosperous region with a diversified economy. While agriculture remains important, manufacturing, particularly in metallurgy, chemicals, and textiles, plays a significant role. The region is also famous for its artisan industries, especially in Florence, where traditional crafts are still practiced. Tourism is a cornerstone of the Tuscan economy, drawing millions of visitors each year to its historical centers, coastal resorts, and picturesque countryside. Florence and Pisa, with their iconic landmarks, are major attractions, but the charm of smaller medieval towns and the allure of the Tuscan landscape also captivate travelers. Tuscany's influence on global culture is immeasurable. It is considered the birthplace of the Italian Renaissance and the foundation upon which the Italian language was built. The artistic and intellectual achievements of its past continue to inspire and attract people from all corners of the globe. Its museums, galleries, and churches house some of the world's most treasured masterpieces, while its landscapes offer a timeless beauty that has been immortalized in countless works of art and literature. Beyond its historical and artistic significance, Tuscany offers a distinct way of life characterized by a deep appreciation for food, wine, family, and the beauty of the everyday. Its vibrant local markets, traditional festivals, and the warmth of its people contribute to its unique charm. Tuscany is more than just a place to visit, it's an experience that engages all the senses and leaves a lasting impression on the soul. It stands as a testament to the enduring power of human creativity and the timeless allure of a land where history, culture, and natural beauty intertwine in perfect harmony.